Oregano and honey syrup is a delicious and natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat coughs and boost immunity. This simple syrup is made from fresh oregano and honey, both of which have powerful medicinal properties. Oregano is a fragrant herb that is commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine. It is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Oregano is also a potent antimicrobial, meaning that it can help to kill harmful bacteria and viruses. Honey is another powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries. It is well known for its soothing effect on sore throats and its ability to boost immunity. Honey also has antibacterial properties, which can help to fight infections. So how do you make oregano and honey syrup at home? Here's a simple recipe you can try. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of fresh oregano leaves, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of water. Start by adding the water to a pot and bringing it to a boil. Next, add the fresh oregano leaves to the pot and reduce the heat to a simmer. Let the oregano simmer in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the water has reduced by half. Once the water has reduced, strain out the oregano leaves using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. While the water is still hot, add the honey to the pot and stir until it has dissolved. Transfer the syrup to a jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To use the syrup, simply take 1 or 2 spoonfuls per day to soothe coughs. You can also add the syrup to a cup of hot tea for a soothing and delicious drink. And there you have it, a simple and natural remedy that can help to treat coughs and boost immunity. So next time you're feeling under the weather, give oregano and honey syrup a try. Your body will thank you for it.